Hey guys, welcome to podcast. So I hope you're doing good. So in this video, we will discuss about a very short tip about Figma. So how do you give individual strokes to elements in Figma? So this is going to be a very short video. So this is how you do it. I mean, straight right to the topic. So you select the element and then you go to the stroke options. In the stroke option, whenever you give a stroke, you must have seen it gives stroke to all of your four sides. But the Figma has come with a new option. Now, after you give it a stroke, let me remove a stroke. So let me give a stroke now, just so you didn't know. If you don't know how to give a stroke, so I just click the plus icon. Now it has given stroke to all of the four sides. Now let me select it again. And if you want to give it an individual stroke, you go to this option. You see this gear option, which on hovering shows strokes per side. Now if you click on it, by default the all is selected. It means it's giving the stroke to all of your four sides. Now if you just want to give it to the bottom, see you just select the bottom. It now gives stroke to the only to the bottom of your element. Now, if you select to the top, it gives to the top of the element. If you select the left, it gives to the left of the element and or to the right of the element. Now, let me show you one more thing. There is an option named custom. So it shows like now you can give it the border or the stroke to more than one side. Let me select it again, and so we choose custom. See on the left side, let me give it a 3 pixel stroke. On the right, let me give it a 2 pixel stroke. On the top, let me give it 3 pixel stroke again, and on the bottom, let me give it just a 1 pixel stroke. So you can do this as well. So that's a pretty cool feature. I really liked it from Figma. So that's how you give individual strokes to your elements in Figma. Thank you guys. I hope you understood, and you must have understood because the teacher is good, right? So thank you guys, and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to me to have any particular video made for you, I am pretty open to it. You can just write it in the comment section. So I'll make it for you if it's worth for everyone. So thank you, and do subscribe to my channel, and bye. Take care.